So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the spinner, the lathe piece for the spinning game. So if we go into onshape, create document, spinning lathe piece, create. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to draw half this here section, and then we're going to rotate it around the center. So if we go to the front plane and we start sketch on the front plane. Now make sure that this is from the center. So it's going to come out. We're just going to draw this in roughly, and then we're going to go back and smart dimension it. The angle in here from here to here is 60. 60 take away 180 gives you 120, and half that there. So that there degrees out there has to be 60 degrees. So if we go over here to, or we hit D on your keyboard, from there to there, and we want to make that there 60 degrees. Then from the bottom to the top is 48. So again, dim from here to the top, 48. And we're doing half this 9, so it's out 4.5. So from here to here, 4.5. And the final dimension then is this part here, it's 30. The dimension for this line here, 30. And this then is diameter 20. So again, half from there to there. We're going to make that 6. And that's it, completed. So up here then, we're going to do this. But this time we're going to do a sweep. So it's asking us the faces. Oh, before we do that, actually we have to include, go back to our sketch here, edit this here. We'll include a line here. Now, that's, see when that turns gray like that there? That's giving us a face to actually rotate around. So we go here. Now, it's asking us, it's going to rotate this part around. Revolve axis is around this axis here. So revolve axis here. And now we've got it complete. Green tick that there, and that's our spinning lathe piece completed.